for many years is one of the world's leading manufacturers of grinding machines. The Kindle company is located right at the north of the Black Forest. The SSG 600 saw blade grinding machine is designed and built to sharpen all kinds of carbide, chrome vanadium and HSS saw blades up to 660 millimeters in diameter, especially when various different models of blades have to be ground. And this is how it is done. Open the brake clamp and push the brake back. Take the blade holder of the support and open the fixation screws of the blade transport on both sides. Then open the support screw and the transport fixture. Push the transport finger all the way out. Put the blade holder back on the support. Depending on the saw's center hole, use the appropriate spacer ring. Place the clean saw blade onto the holder so that the front of the tooth faces to the left. Put the holding plate back on the saw and fix it with a star screw. Now pull the transport finger back to the middle of the tooth and fix it. Take the complete blade holder with the blade of the support and slide the complete support unit towards the grinding wheel so that the transport finger stop fits exactly on the shock-absorbing ball. The support is fixed in this position and the blade is placed back onto the support. The brake is set on the blade so that the saw blade can still be turned by hand gently. Setting of the automatic transport. Open the transport clamp and push the cylinder to the extreme left position. From this zero position, pull the cylinder as many teeth back as you want the blade to be transported and close the transport clamp. We use one tooth. The grinding depth is set by turning the depth screw up or down. Turn the hand wheel to the left or right so that the grinding wheel touches the tooth you just had transported. Setting the tooth angle. If you do not know the tooth angle, you may ask the blade manufacturer or find out with a machine. Open the angle setting screw below the arm and move this arm to the right or left so that the grinding wheel is parallel to the front of the tooth. When set, fix the screw. Before starting the machine, check all settings manually. When they are all correct, first start the grinding motor and then the automatic unit. First turn the left switch from the setting position to the position air and then the right switch from the off to the on position. The machine now works by itself. The feed is set by the hand wheel. Mark the first tooth you have ground and switch the automatic off after the first turn. Check that all the teeth are ground properly. Then you can move to the rear of the tooth. Otherwise, switch the machine on again and run a second turn. The SSG 600A is equipped with an automatic shut-off, so you can do other things while the machine is running. To activate, put the magnet on the blade just in front of the sensor. When the machine stops, turn the switch from the on to the off position and mark the position of the magnet on the blade. Remove the magnet from the saw blade and start the machine. After 3 or 4 teeth are ground, place the magnet back on the marked position. The machine will now stop automatically after exactly 1 turn. To sharpen the rear of the tooth, only 2 steps are necessary. First, turn the motor 180 degrees and second, open the angle setting screw and turn the arm approximately 90 degrees to the left. Now only the relief angle setting is to be done. Use the blade manufacturer's angles or find it out again on the machine. Swing the saw blade along the grinding wheel and change the angle until the blade is again parallel to the tooth. If necessary, you can adjust the boom swing with the adjustment screw on the cylinder. Start the grinding motor and swing the blades using the arm towards the wheel. You can feed in the blades with the hand wheel until it is in the correct position. Now switch on to automatic. If you have to sharpen saw blades with alternating right-left teeth, all settings are the same. You only have to set the motor angle to the tooth angle and the transport to 2 teeth. The maximum angle is 45 degrees. Make sure the grinding wheel always runs downwards. The SSG 600A is also able to grind chrome vanadium or HSS steel saw blades. All the machine settings are identical. Just replace the diamond wheel by the corundum grinding wheel. For better understanding and for troubleshooting, we would like to make you familiar with some parts of the SSG 600 automatic saw blade sharpening machine. The motor setting handle must be opened to turn the motor and for setting the various angles. The power safety switch ensures that the machine will not start automatically after a power failure. The air connectors are color-coded. The colored air hoses are simply plugged into the corresponding connectors. The electronic plug must be put in the plug socket. The power supply plug must be put into the socket on the rear of the machine. The pneumatic cylinders can be adjusted by 2 throttle valves each. If you screw the throttle valve in, the movement slows down. Turn it out and it is faster. Setting. The machine is without pressure. All functions can be done manually. Air. All cylinders are set under pressure. On. The machine starts automatically. Off. The machine completes the work and stops. The transport and the grinding control are for setting the cycles for transport and grinding. The higher the number, the higher the cycle. The basic setting for both controls is number 6. All changes should be made starting from the basic position.